Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not done so already, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. We have a fun video today. Let's take a look at some of the top kitchen styles for all types of home decor lovers, whether your style is traditional, southwestern, modern. We're going to talk about it all here, and then at the end of the video, I want you to tell me what your favorite or your dream style is. Let's get into it now. Alright, so we are going to move pretty quickly through this, but we're just going to start at the beginning. Let's start at cottage kitchens. This is just such a charming kitchen. Now, some factors that you know it's cottage style is going to feature some airy pastel colors, maybe even some neutral cabinets and creamy stone countertops, and you're going to see a lot of garden-inspired accessories and even things like curved range hoods. Now you're going to see a lot of open shelving. So one tip to make your home just go ahead and become cottage style, remove some of the doors from your existing cabinets. No need to buy new ones, just remove the doors, paint the inside. You're going to have some instant open shelving. Now, eclectic interiors just really combine furnishings and finishings from various design styles with complementary tones and textures to create this outstanding dynamic result. Curating contrasting elements in a way that really appears to flow together cohesively. Now, it requires some finesse, but it is well worth the effort. Now, if creating an eclectic kitchen is on your to-do list, there are a couple of different ways to do this. Try mixing and matching materials or colors or even textures and patterns. The key is not overdoing it on any one specific element. So if you're going to just try mixing and matching colors, try not to overdo it on any one color and just give each color its own time to shine. Now, coastal design style really embraces a very light and airy ocean hues and natural materials such as linen or shells, bamboo, driftwood, even woven seagrass. A coastal decor scheme is really characterized by a limited palette of really soft colors that are going to remind you of the sea and the sand, and also natural materials like we discussed before with weathered wood and a lot of rattan wood. So in my opinion, the most difficult thing in trying to decorate your kitchen coastal is it coming off peaceful and comfortable and inviting and warm and still very cultured without it looking like the proverbial coastal beach house kitchen with the seahorses everywhere you turn and the ships in the bottle. And no offense to anyone that has that in their home, I'm just giving you a different way to look at coastal beach kitchen style. Farmhouse kitchens are casual and inviting, warm. They're ideal for gathering with family and friends and just talking about life and reflecting over a comforting family recipe. You can have laid-back designs. You can have designs that just really bring charm with reclaimed materials, earthy hues, and of course a few antique focal points. And of course, maybe even a splash here and there of shiplap. Whether you choose to go farmhouse or farmhouse modern like what is shown in this picture, it is a very simple home decor style to perfect. Farmhouse mainly focuses on natural materials, a very unpretentious design, and cooking spaces that can accommodate large meals. A traditional kitchen design is timeless, refined, and of course executed with top quality materials like marble, hardwood, and solid brass. Traditional kitchens typically incorporate painted cabinets with or without glass front doors, simple granite or laminate countertops, and of course hardwood floors. The best traditional kitchens lean on classic elements while still allowing room for family fun or, of course, entertainment. The iconic mid-century modern era dates from about the 1940s to the late 1960s, but remains both trendy and sought after by design professionals and enthusiasts today, especially in the kitchen. Mid-century modern kitchens are sleek and streamlined. They emphasize natural light, horizontal lines, walnut cabinetry, and of course, playful pops of color. Calling all of my bohemian lovers. Let your free spirit shine with a boho kitchen design. Bohemian style throws out the rule book. I mean completely out of the window. And it plays it big with a mix of bold colors, woven textures, natural finishes, and of course, punchy, in-your-face patterns. Boho style is all about eye-catching, in-your-face designs, and of course, surrounding the homeowner with everything that they love. Transitional design style is a blend of traditional and contemporary styles that results in this fusion mosh pot of a space that feels current and classic at the same time. Transitional homes favor crisp white walls and neutral color palettes and really keep decorative accessories at a minimum. That's where a little bit of the contemporary styling comes in. Now you can achieve a similar result at your house with inset cabinetry and marble countertops mixed with really trending light fixtures, faucets, or backsplash tile. And since we just spoke about a contemporary fusion, I thought that was the perfect time to jump right in contemporary. So not to be confused with modern. Modern design style dates back to about the 1930s, even though they're very frequently confused. Contemporary design is the style of now. The current style emphasizes really simple lines, very unfussy silhouettes, and open, uncluttered spaces. You are going to see a lot of minimalism, almost couldn't get that out. Minimalism and modern just kind of fuse to give you contemporary. It's very sleek of the moment. So now for one of my favorites, French country kitchens. Now, French country kitchens are rustic, but yet they have this romantic side as well. They really just have this balance between modest countryside living and old world romantic elegance. So typical French country color palettes are diffused and soft. They're this really cool mix of warm leaning neutrals, kind of your creams and eggshells, creamy whites, pale blues, and muted greens. Exposed ceiling beams, that's where a lot of the country comes in. Think a really romantic rustic, airy wood accents, and of course stone or brick floors, which really evoke this European flair. Last but not least, let's take a look at Mediterranean kitchens. The recipe for the Mediterranean kitchen of your dreams call for a mix of old world staples like weathered wood, plastered walls, hand-painted tile work, stone, and wrought iron accents. Now, if you add to these elements with sun-kissed colors and a really inviting eat-in layout, just achieves this Mediterranean appeal at home in your kitchen. A rustic Mediterranean kitchen is just steeped in Italian style. It is perfect for pizza and homemade pasta and all of those good things, even a brick-lined fireplace. It's really the heart of the home. It's the heart of every Mediterranean design, and it could be perfect for your kitchen in your home. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and of course subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos, click here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.